There's an expression my older brother taught me years ago. You know the ship is sinking when the rats head for shore. In the wake of Justice Robert Mosley's January 23rd ruling, which found Trudeau's use of the Emergency Measures Act to shut down the Freedom Convoy in 2022 unconstitutional, Justice Minister David Lametti has resigned. Lametti was appointed to his position by Trudeau after the Jody Wilson-Raybould scandal, in which Raybould, also appointed by Trudeau, resigned in 2019 after Trudeau interfered in the SNC-Lavalin investigation. Lametti released a resignation letter 2 days after Justice Mosley's decision, in which he said he's leaving his role to join the law firm of Fasken Martineau Dumoulin. Lametti said he's proud of the role he played during the Freedom Convoy protest, but made no mention of the federal court's ruling, possibly due to the fact that Lametti joked about bringing in tanks to break up the convoy. His exit is not an isolated event. It follows the departure of Liberal MP Carolyn Bennett, who quit in December. Bennett had been a Liberal MP for 26 years, serving as Minister of Public Health from 2003 to 2006, Minister of Indigenous and Northern Affairs from 2015 to 2017, Minister of Crown Indigenous Relations from 2017 to 2021, and Minister of Mental Health and Addictions from 2021 to July 2023. Most recently, she served as Associate Health Minister from 2021 to July 2023. Bennett gave her last speech before Parliament on December 12th, warning of the growing spread of misinformation in Trudeau's government. It also comes one day after Liberal MP Ken MacDonald openly challenged Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's leadership and called for a party-wide vote to reassess their confidence in him. However, 2 days later, MacDonald retracted his statements. Perhaps Lametti and Bennett don't want to go down with Trudeau's ship. Several challengers to the Emergencies Act say they're preparing to sue government officials and financial institutions after the federal court's recent declaration that the invocation of the act was not justified. Military veteran Eddie Cornell, police veteran Vincent Gersis, and Alberta contractor Jeremiah Jost said in a January 29th statement on X that they will sue those in government, the financial institutions who froze people's bank accounts, and the police officers who beat up and injured innocent Canadians. After the government declared a public order emergency on February 14th, 2022, the RCMP provided a list of entities to financial institutions and asked them to freeze their accounts. Financial institutions were also told to use their own risk detection methods to freeze the accounts of other entities deemed to be involved in the protests. Then Deputy Finance Minister Michael Sabia testified at the Public Order Emergency Commission in late 2022 that 257 accounts were frozen based on the RCMP list and 23 based on the financial institution's own determinations. The Canadian Constitution Foundation, which won the case against the use of the EMA, has published an excellent summary of the reasons why it was unconstitutional. You will find a link to that document below this video.